This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Botsociety comments feature. The comments feature was built for you to be able to collaborate with your teams and be able to see comments either from different team members or people that you're sharing your design with and get feedback before you continue with the design process. So here I have a design I've been working on, and for example, to start using the comments feature, all I have to do is click on this button over here, the comments icon, and then this turns on comment mode. So what comment mode allows you to do is hover over a message and then click on the comment button over there. And here you can leave a comment. So I'm gonna, for example, say, not sure about this text here. What do you think? And then I'm able to leave a comment, and once you do that, you can see who left the comment. So if a team member is commenting, they have to be signed in. So you'll be able to see who's commenting on your design, and you're also able to edit your comment as well as resolve a thread, so people can reply on these threads. Let's do another one. So let's say I collaborated on this with a team member, and here I would say like great copy. So this can be used both for feedback and for kind of brainstorming how to move forward and all of this. And you'll be able to see the comments like this opened, and when I turn this off, they're not there anymore. Exactly. And so then when you share your design, I can invite someone to edit or to view. And if I invite someone to view, they'll be able to log in or make an account in order to be able to comment on your design. So keep that in mind when you share your design, either with a link or with team members through their email. One thing that is coming up as a future feature is an improvement on the comments feature to be able to tag people directly on the comment in order for them to get an email notification. So stay tuned for that, and comment down below if you'd like to see those updates as soon as possible. Thank you.